Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Ultimate Phone Guide. Today, we're diving into the iPhone 15, Apple's latest flagship that brings exciting upgrades while maintaining the premium Apple experience. From its design and display to performance, camera, and battery life, we'll cover everything you need to know to decide if this is the right phone for you. The iPhone 15 introduces a fresh new look with contoured edges and a durable color-infused glass back. The aluminum frame keeps it lightweight, making it comfortable to hold. Apple offers it in 5 vibrant colors: pink, yellow, green, blue, and classic black, giving users more variety than ever. On the front, it features a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display with OLED technology. This ensures stunning contrast, deep blacks, and a peak brightness of 2000 nits, making it excellent for outdoor visibility. And yes, Apple has finally brought the dynamic island to the standard iPhone model, replacing the old notch for a more interactive experience. Powering the iPhone 15 is Apple's A16 Bionic chip, the same one found in last year's iPhone 14 Pro. This means incredible speed, power efficiency, and smooth multitasking for gaming, video editing, and everyday tasks. The phone runs on iOS 17, bringing features like standby mode, improved autocorrect, and interactive widgets for a seamless user experience. Now, let's talk cameras. The biggest upgrade is the 48-megapixel main camera, replacing the older 12-megapixel sensor. This means sharper images, better low-light performance, and a new 2x telephoto zoom without needing an extra lens. The night mode and smart HDR improvements ensure your photos look professional in any lighting condition. The 12-megapixel front camera also supports autofocus for crisp selfies and high-quality FaceTime calls. Battery life remains solid, offering up to 20 hours of video playback, making it a reliable daily driver. And for charging, Apple has finally switched to USB-C, allowing for faster charging and universal cable compatibility across devices. In terms of value, the iPhone 15 starts at $799 in the US and varies in different regions. With flagship-grade cameras, a sleek design, and Apple's powerful ecosystem, it remains one of the best premium smartphones you can buy. So, is the iPhone 15 worth it in 2025? If you're upgrading from an older iPhone like the 12 or earlier, it's a fantastic choice. But if you have the iPhone 14, the changes might not be drastic enough to justify the upgrade. Let us know in the comments, would you buy the iPhone 15, or are you waiting for the iPhone 16? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth smartphone reviews. See you in the next video.